Okay, y'all, so this just came in the mail. This is literally a 12-day advent calendar from Vaseline. This is crazy. So let's open it together. So these are like freaking huge boxes. Day 1. Oh, say you're lying. Say you're lying to me right now. Bedazzled. Oh my god, it has my initials. Wait, is this personalized? Y'all. I'm actually like, and then this is a candy cane lip treatment thing. Oh yeah, I still cannot get over this. I'm literally keeping this forever. Okay, moving on, number 2. Oh my god, guys, what is up with the bedazzle? This is their hand butter deep nourishment. I am like actually in awe with this freaking bedazzling. Oh, she smells so good. This is amazing. And this is like a full size. Day 3. Oh my god. I think I might cry. No way! It's another bedazzle! And wait, there's more? Okay, so these are like sugar lips. Period. That is such like a cute like little thing. 4. Are you actually Vaseline? Are you serious right now? I am literally about to die. What Uggs socks? Not to mention the full Vaseline bedazzled tub. Moving on, number 5. Okay, this is another lip treatment, but this is like a cherry color. And then this is lip therapy in creme brulee. Ooh. 6 is over here. Are you serious right now? No way Vaseline sent me a cookie cutter. So I'm literally about to bake cookies tomorrow with this. This is so cool. 7. Why do y'all play with me too much? Because what? Shimmery body oil, and then this cocoa shimmery jelly stick. Are you serious? Guys, I literally cannot right now. 8. Another bedazzle! Lip therapy, like balm thing. So cute. Oh my god. 9. So we got the all over body balm. Nice perfume. It's in the vanilla skin flavor. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, number 10. Wait, I'm actually gonna cry right now because when people give me hot chocolate during this season, stop it. Oh my god, and this mug is so cute. Holy cow. Day 11. Oh my gosh! Samples of their serum boosting lotion, which I actually use all the time. This is a different nourishing lotion as well. Period. Okay, last day, day 12. Oh my gosh! Okay, so they sent a little like keychain, rosy lip therapy, lip balm, Vaseline stuff to put on your keys. That is so cute because I feel like I always need like another like, you know. Thank you, Vaseline, so much. Like these are so cute. I'm so excited to use it. And this advent calendar was literally like my highlight of Christmas, honestly. Like I'm not even playing. Love you, Vaseline. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed.